during races.
Okay, Flagman, proceed sa inyong post.
Alright, flagman, please proceed to your designated places. So again, we would like to request sa atong mga spectators, stay put lang mo diya, palihog, ayaw glapas, ayaw tagayog, sakit sa ulo ang atong members of the Philippine National Police and of course our barangay tanods. Diyan lang kita because I know everyone will enjoy. Thank you so much. Again, I know that you are already excited. Of course, welcome to 3rd Mayor Bebot Veloso Invitational Motocross here in the beautiful municipality of San Isidro Leyte. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Eastern Visayas. Good morning, 3rd District of Leyte. And of course, good morning, San Isidro. Official Facebook page, Duao San Isidro. So again, boss, pili na kabuok ang shares na to niya.